Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing, review and test on this awesome SKYRC GSM020 GNSS performance analyzer. So before I continue with the video, I want to say a big thank you to Tom Lee RC for recommending that I get this GPS performance analyzer, and I want to say thank you to Banggood for actually sending me this thing to do a review and test on. So I've been using it for quite a while now, and I'm really liking how it performs. Normally I would stick one of my old phones to my RC vehicle to test the speed and stuff like that, but that's just a disaster in itself. So yeah, I'm really glad that I was able to get one of these, and it's performing great, much better than using my smartphone, and a lot less risk as well. So what we're going to do, I'm going to give you a quick close look at the actual module itself, talk a little bit about it, what it can do, and then I will crack on and show you the thing in action as well. So without further ado, let's get it unboxed. Okay, so let's get it out of the box and give you a nice close look at the actual module itself. So as you can see, it's reasonably well packaged. Does come with an instruction manual, but I don't really need to show you that because I'm going to be explaining everything in this video today. You've got a USB charging lead, and then the actual module itself. The module is very light. I can't tell you exactly how much it weighs, but I will put it in obviously this video telling you exactly what it weighs in grams, but I can give you the dimensions quickly. It is 4 centimeters squared by 1.5 centimeters in depth. Quickly give you a nice closer look at the actual unit. On the right hand side here, you've got a blue LED light indicating that you have got full Bluetooth signal and strength. In the middle here, you've got a green LED light showing you've got adequate GPS signal, and then on the left hand side here, you've got a white LED light showing you that the module is turned on. When the module enters low battery mode, the white LED light starts to flash. You've got a little reset indent button here, so basically you need to insert a pin or something like that if you need to reset the whole module itself. And then on the side here, you've got your charging port. Very basic, guys, but works really well. Made from high quality plastic. Got a nice weight to it, very sturdy. It's literally one unit, so it doesn't feel flimsy. This is a high quality piece of kit, that is for sure. So I'll quickly go over the app for you and how to actually use the module. So you're going to need to download the SKYRC GNSS PA app, which is available on iOS and Android. I'm using the Android phone to show you guys in this video as I'm filming on my iPhone, but the app is exactly the same on either version. So I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, you've got your basic information. Hopefully you can see that. So on the top right hand side, you've got your settings cog button there. So if I click into that, it's going to give you your name of your module, all of your records, so you can keep track on all of your previous analytics and stuff like that for different vehicles, blah blah blah. You can also change the units from miles per hour to kilometers per hour. I'm going to change mine to miles per hour. You've also got the firmware version. You can clear your cache on the device, so basically you can wipe it, and then it basically tells you the app version you're using as well. Very simple settings. You can change the name if you want to. So the actual app itself, how to use that, very simple. Once again, on the right hand side, you've got your battery indicator, tells you the exact battery percentage of your module. It tells you how many satellites you have picked up, and then the dots on the bottom there will tell you your satellite strength. Now obviously I'm inside a building, so I'm not picking up any satellites as in signal going to this, but you can see there is 12 satellites above me ready to go. You got your Bluetooth status obviously, and then you've got your 3 solid dots showing you that I've got full Bluetooth signal strength. Down here you've got your real-time analytics, so basically it's going to tell me my real-time miles per hour and my real-time height, but obviously my unit is stationary, so it's not showing me any analytics, but as you can see now I'm moving it, it will start to show you some. Now I'll show you the features it has because these are quite important, but yet again guys, very simple to use. If I was to go into drag, you can set the speed limit, so basically you can measure the 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 or whatever your inputs are. So if I wanted to start measuring my speed at 5 miles an hour and I want it to stop measuring my speed at 60 miles an hour, it would tell me what the time it's taken to actually reach those inputs that I've asked for, as well as obviously your max speed and stuff like that, and same with the distance. I can get it starting and stopping after a certain distance. Very easy to use, perfect for a bit of drag racing, so you want to know exactly how fast you're going from A to B. The one that I mainly use though is the track. So basically the track setting is, as soon as you hit track and hit start, it's basically going to start taking the readings from your GPS. So it's going to measure your max speed, your distance, your average speed and stuff like that. So if I now click stop and then read, it will tell me basically the information. So it will tell me what mode I was using. I was using track mode. It will tell me my distance. Obviously I didn't go nowhere, so it's saying 0. It will also tell me how long I was driving for, my average speed, and then obviously my max speed. And the same when it goes to flying guys. If you want to put this to a drone or anything like that, you just attach it to a drone, press start, it will start taking all of the readings. You press stop, then read, and then it will give you your information. So I was in flying mode, it will tell me my distance in feet, my time elapsed, my average speed, my max height, and my max mile an hour. So that is literally it guys. That is how simple this thing is to operate, but I love the fact that we can do everything on our smartphone. We don't have to keep on going back to the actual module itself, which just makes life a lot easier. So I've gone on long enough, I think. What I will say is I will leave a link in the description below to where you can get one of these. I highly recommend them. If you're anything like most of us that loves to do high speed runs on their RC vehicles and want to know exactly the type of speed you're getting, 100% pick one of these up. They are very good investments. Like I say, I've broke loads of mobile phones by attaching them to my RC vehicles just to try and get an accurate speed test. So I'm never going to have to do that no more. So this thing is actually going to save me money in the long run. So what I'm going to do guys, at the end of this video, I will leave a video clip of this thing in action on my WL Toys 124018, showing you exactly how quick it goes and how well this thing functions. So that is it for me guys. Thank you so much for watching, but more importantly, happy RCing and take care. Bye bye. Okay, so second attempt is press track, press start. Let's take it and see what kind of speed we can get, and then we'll do a little bit of off-roading. So let's take it down. Let's turn it round and then see what kind of speed we can get. Okay, let's have a look. Press stop, read, 32 miles an hour. So they actually state 30 miles an hour this can do, and as you can see I'm getting a little bit over that. I have been using the battery for a little bit as well, so I could probably get a couple more mile an hour out of that, but yeah, I'm happy with 32 mile an hour for such a low budget vehicle. It's doing really well. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy RCing. Take care. Bye bye.